Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that has sparked so much curiosity and conversation. You've probably heard its name whispered in health circles or seen it featured as a promising natural supplement. I'm talking about Garcinia Cambogia. What is this intriguing fruit, and why has it captured the attention of so many people looking for a natural boost to their wellness journey? The popularity of Garcinia Cambogia isn't just a fleeting trend. It's rooted in a long history of traditional use and, more recently, scientific interest. People are always searching for natural ways to support their health goals, especially when it comes to managing weight and improving overall vitality. Garcinia Cambogia has emerged as a frontrunner in these discussions. Its journey from a humble regional fruit to a globally recognized supplement is quite remarkable. We're going to peel back the layers and get to the core of what makes Garcinia Cambogia so talked about. Think about the countless health products out there. It can be overwhelming, right? Yet, Garcinia Cambogia consistently remains a subject of interest. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Garcinia Cambogia? Let's get started and see what this fascinating fruit has to offer. So, what is this Garcinia Cambogia we hear so much about? It's not something cooked up in a lab. Garcinia Cambogia, also known by its other names like Malabar tamarind or brindleberry, is a small, pumpkin-shaped fruit. It typically ranges in color from green to yellow and sometimes even reddish. This fruit thrives in the warm, humid climates of Southeast Asia and India. For centuries, local populations in these regions haven't just consumed it, they've integrated it into their culinary traditions and traditional medicine. Imagine a fruit that looks a bit like a miniature pumpkin, hanging from trees in lush tropical forests. In its native lands, it's commonly used as a souring agent in curries and fish dishes, much like tamarind or lemon. Its sharp, tangy flavor adds a distinctive zest to food. Beyond its culinary uses, traditional Ayurvedic medicine in India has long recognized Garcinia for various health-promoting properties. The part of the Garcinia Cambogia fruit that garners the most attention, especially in the context of health supplements, is its rind. This rind is rich in a unique compound that we'll talk much more about shortly. When the fruit is harvested, the rind is often dried and cured for preservation and later use. Understanding where Garcinia Cambogia comes from helps us appreciate its natural origins. Now, let's get to the heart of what makes Garcinia Cambogia so special. The real magic lies in a powerful compound found in its rind. This compound is called hydroxycitric acid, or HCA. HCA is the primary active ingredient in Garcinia Cambogia. Scientists became interested in its potential effects on metabolism. HCA has been studied for its role in fat metabolism. Its chemical makeup allows it to interact with certain enzymes. HCA may help reduce fat production by inhibiting citrate lyase. Garcinia Cambogia, thanks to its HCA content, is known for its potential to support fat burning. How many of you are looking for a natural way to use stored fat for energy? HCA is believed to play a role here. Studies suggest it might help nudge your metabolism in the right direction. The idea is to help your body manage fat more efficiently. HCA may reduce the conversion of carbohydrates into stored fat. This shift can be helpful when you eat healthily and exercise. It's about creating an environment less prone to fat storage. Conquering cravings. How Garcinia Cambogia helps control appetite. Another significant benefit often associated with Garcinia Cambogia is its potential to help control appetite. How many times have you found your best dietary intentions derailed by nagging hunger or irresistible cravings? It's a common struggle. Garcinia Cambogia, through its active compound HCA, might offer some assistance in this area. It's believed to work by influencing certain brain chemicals that regulate hunger and satiety. If you feel fuller for longer, you're naturally less likely to overeat or reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. One way HCA is thought to help manage appetite is by potentially increasing levels of serotonin in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter known for its role in mood regulation, but it also plays a part in appetite control. Higher serotonin levels are often associated with reduced appetite and increased feelings of fullness or satisfaction. So, by possibly boosting serotonin, Garcinia Cambogia could help you feel less hungry without feeling deprived. This is a much more pleasant way to manage calorie intake than simply trying to fight off hunger pangs through sheer willpower alone. A brighter outlook, mood improvement and energy boosts with Garcinia. It's not just about what's happening on the scale, how you feel emotionally and energetically is just as important. Interestingly, Garcinia Cambogia is also reported to have positive effects on mood and energy levels. This is often linked back to that wonderful neurotransmitter, serotonin. As we mentioned, HCA may help increase serotonin levels. While this can aid in appetite control, serotonin is famously known as the feel-good chemical. Higher levels can contribute to a more positive outlook, reduced feelings of stress, and an overall improved sense of well-being. This is a fantastic potential side benefit. When your mood is lifted, managing other aspects of your health journey becomes easier. Alongside mood improvement, many users report an increase in energy levels when taking Garcinia Cambogia. This combination of improved mood and increased energy can be incredibly beneficial. More than weight management, stabilizing blood sugar and aiding digestion. While Garcinia Cambogia is widely recognized for its potential in weight management, its benefits might extend even further into other areas of our well-being. One such area is the potential to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. For many people, fluctuating blood sugar can lead to energy crashes, intense cravings, and other health concerns. Some research suggests that HCA might improve glucose metabolism, helping cells absorb sugar more effectively from the bloodstream. This could contribute to more stable energy levels throughout the day and reduce the highs and lows that can trigger unhealthy eating habits. Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial not just for energy, but for overall metabolic health. By potentially aiding in better glucose utilization, Garcinia Cambogia could play a supportive role in a broader strategy for metabolic wellness. Another interesting potential benefit is improved intestinal excretion. Some traditional uses of Garcinia Cambogia include promoting healthy digestion. A healthy digestive tract ensures proper nutrient absorption and efficient waste elimination, both of which are vital for energy, immunity, and overall health. Supporting an active lifestyle, joint comfort, and cholesterol balance. As we explore the diverse advantages of Garcinia Cambogia, let's consider how it might support an active lifestyle, which is so crucial for overall health. One interesting, though less commonly highlighted, potential benefit is in relieving joint pain. For some individuals, joint discomfort can be a major barrier to staying active. While Garcinia Cambogia is not a primary treatment for joint conditions, some anti-inflammatory properties have been anecdotally reported or suggested in preliminary research. Furthermore, maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is a cornerstone of cardiovascular health, which is vital for an active life. Some studies have indicated that Garcinia Cambogia, possibly through HCA's influence on fat metabolism, might help in regulating cholesterol levels. Specifically, it has been suggested to potentially lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while possibly having a neutral or even positive effect on HDL, the good cholesterol. When you combine these potential benefits, the energy boost, mood improvement, possible joint comfort, and support for a healthy cholesterol, it's easy to see how Garcinia Cambogia could foster a stronger desire and ability to be physically active. Ultimately, Garcinia Cambogia may act as an enabler for a more active and vibrant life. Your path with Garcinia Cambogia. Key takeaways and smart steps. So, we've journeyed through the world of Garcinia Cambogia, from its tropical origins to its potential health benefits, largely driven by the powerhouse compound HCA. We've seen how it might play a role in fat burning by limiting lipogenesis, help control appetite and reduce those pesky sugar cravings, and even offer a lift to your mood and energy levels. Beyond these well-known aspects, we've touched on its potential to support stable blood sugar, improve intestinal excretion, possibly relieve joint pain, and help regulate cholesterol levels, all of which can contribute to a greater desire to be physically active. It's clear that Garcinia Cambogia holds intriguing possibilities for those seeking natural support on their wellness journey. The key takeaway is that it's a tool, not a magic wand. Its potential benefits are most likely to be realized when it's part of a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle choices. Think of it as a helper that can make your own efforts more effective. Now, this is very important. Before you consider adding Garcinia Cambogia or any new supplement to your routine, it is absolutely essential to talk to your healthcare provider. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health videos. Stay healthy, everyone.